Dear students, today we are going to see 3rd standard maths term 2 unit 1 numbers. In this lesson now we are going to learn about multiplication. Multiplication is adding the same number to a specified number of times. Multiplication na ஒரே number multiple times add பண்றது தான். See this example, 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Here we add 4 3 times and the answer is 12. 4 வந்து நாம 3 times add பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Answer வந்து 12. This can be written as 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Multiplication is quicker way to add the number occurring repeatedly. Numbers வந்து repeated add பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு குயிக்கான வே தான் multiplication. Next, symbol of multiplication. We use the symbol to represent multiplication. Multiplication represent க்கு யூஸ் பண்ற symbol தான் இது into. See இங்க ஒரு picture கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாருங்க. 4 trees in 5 groups is 20. See இங்க எவ்வளவு groups இருக்கு? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 groups. ஒரு groupல எவ்வளவு trees இருக்கு? 1 2 3 4. See 4 trees in 5 groups is 20. Total number of trees is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. This can be written as 4 into 5 is equal to 20. ஒரு குரூப்ல எவ்வளவு trees இருக்கு? 4. So total எவ்வளவு groups இருக்கு? 5. The total number of trees is 20. So the multiplication fact is 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Four is the number of trees in each group. 5 is the number of groups. 20 is the total number of trees. See, 4 is a multiplicand, 5 is a multiplier, and 20 is a product. Multiplication of a number with other number can be done in the following ways. See, multiplication வந்து நம்ம 5 மெத்தட்ல பண்ணிக்கலாம். Dot multiplication, repeated addition, regrouping, standard multiplication algorithm and lattice multiplication. First நாம dot multiplication பார்ப்போம். See, complete the following table. See, இங்க ஒரு டேபிள் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, அது நீங்க கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணணும். அதுக்கு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் இங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. See, stars, number of horizontal rows, number of vertical columns and number of stars. See, இங்க stars கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Number of horizontal rows. Horizontal னா இங்க ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா வர இந்த லைன். So எவ்வளவு லைன் இருக்கு? 1 2. Horizontal rows is 2. The number of vertical columns. Vertical columns னா இப்படி வர லைன். எவ்வளவு இருக்கு vertical columns? 1 2 3 4. Total number of stars. See, 2 into 4 is equal to total number of stars 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The total number of stars is 8. The multiplication fact is 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Next பாருங்க, stars கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Number of horizontal rows 1 2 3 4. You have to write here 4. Number of vertical columns 1 2 3. So you have to write here 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. The total number of stars is 12. The multiplication fact is 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Next, number of horizontal rows 1 2 3. You have to write here 3. Next, number of vertical columns 1 2 3 4 5. You have to write here 5. The total number of stars is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. The total number of stars is 15. The multiplication fact is 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Number of horizontal rows 1 2 3. You have to write here 3. Next, number of vertical columns 1, 2. You have tried here. So, the total number of stars 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, the multiplication fact is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Next, repeated addition. Let us recall the repeated addition we have learned in lower classes. Find the total number of flowers. See, we can find the total number of flowers as follows. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. 3 groups of 3 flowers make 9. See, total number of groups எவ்வளோ 1, 2, 3. The total number of groups is 3. ஓரோ குரூப்ல எவ்வளோ flowers இருக்கு 1, 2, 3. So, the total number of flowers is 9. So, the multiplication fact is 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So, 3 groups, each group have 3 flowers. The total number of flowers is 9. Next பாருங்க, find the total number of leaves. See, இங்க 4 groups கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 1, 2, 3, 4. ஓரோ பாக்ஸ்லயும் எவ்வளோ leaves இருக்கு 1, 2, 3, 4. ஓரோ பாக்ஸ்லயும் 4 leaves இருக்கு 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to the total number of leaves is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The total number of leaves is 16. ஓரோ குரூப்லேயும் எவ்வளோ லீவ்ஸ் இருக்கு 4. எவ்வளோ குரூப்ஸ் இருக்கு 4. So total number of leaves is 16. The multiplication fact is 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Next பாருங்க, how many apples are there in 4 plates? இந்த 4 platesல எவ்வளோ apples இருக்குதுன்னு கவுண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். There are 4 plates, each has 5 apples. Total number of plate is 4. So ஓரோ பிளேட்ல எவ்வளோ apples இருக்கு ஓரோ பிளேட்லயும் 5 apples இருக்கு. So the total number of apples is see 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. So the multiplication fact is 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Multiplication table 2. Each box has 2 balls. Repeated addition facts, multiplication facts. See, இங்க எவ்வளோ balls இருக்கு 1, 2. 2 balls இருக்கு. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. இது ஒரு box. ஓகேயா? So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Means 2 balls and 1 box. The total number of balls is 2. The multiplication fact is 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Next பாருங்க, இங்க 2 box இருக்கு. ஓரோ பாக்ஸ்லயும் 2 balls இருக்கு. The total number of balls is 4. The multiplication fact is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. See, next பாருங்க, 3 times 2 எவ்வளோ பாக்ஸ் இருக்கு 3 பாக்ஸ். ஓரோ பாக்ஸ்ல எவ்வளோ பால்ஸ் இருக்கு 2. So the total number of balls is 6. The multiplication fact is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Next பாருங்க, see 4 times 2. The multiplication fact is 2 into 4 is equal to 8. See, 2 balls, 4 box. The total number of balls is 8. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Next பாருங்க, so 5 times 2. ஓரோ பாக்ஸ்ல எவ்வளோ balls இருக்கு 2. எவ்வளோ பாக்ஸ் இருக்கு 5. The total number of balls is 10. The multiplication fact is 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Next பாருங்க, 6 times 2. ஓரோ பாக்ஸ்லயும் 2 balls இருக்கு. Total number of boxes 6. So total number of balls is 12. The multiplication fact is 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Next பாருங்க. 7 times 2. ஓரோ பாக்ஸ்லேயும் 2 balls இருக்கு. எவ்வளோ பாக்ஸ் இருக்கு? 7. So the total number of balls is 14. The multiplication fact is 2 into 7 is equal to 14. Next பாருங்க. So 8 times 2. Number of balls is 2. எவ்வளோ பாக்ஸ் இருக்கு? 8. So the total number of balls is 16. The multiplication fact is 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Next பாருங்க. Nine times 2. ஓரோ பாக்ஸ்லேயும் 2 balls இருக்கு. The total number of box is 9. So the total number of balls is 18. The multiplication fact is 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Next பாருங்க. 10 times 2. ஓரோ பாக்ஸ்ல எவ்வளோ balls இருக்கு? 2. The total number of box is 10. The total number of balls is 20. The multiplication fact is 2 into 10 is equal to 20. This is the multiplication table of 2. See multiplying by 2. See பாருங்க. இங்கே எவ்வளோ குரூப்ஸ் இருக்கு? 4 குரூப்ஸ். ஓரோ குரூப்பில் எவ்வளோ லீவ்ஸ் இருக்கு? 2 leaves. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. This can be written as 2 into 4 is equal to 8. This is the multiplication fact. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. ஓரோ பாக்ஸ்லேயும் 2 leaves இருக்கு. The total number of box is 4. The total number of leaves is 8. See 4 times 2 is 8. See 2 multiplicand. 4 is a multiplier and 8 is a product. See this activity. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. See this exercise. Fill in the boxes. In the box வந்து நீங்க fill பண்ணுங்க. 2 into 6. 6 2s are 12. So you have tried here 12. 9 into 2. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. So you have tried here 18. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. See 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Next 2 into 2 is equal to 4. பாருங்க 8 into 2. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. See 4 into 2 is equal to 8. See 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Next multiplication table 3. Boxes of 3 stars. Repeated addition facts, multiplication facts. நம்ம multiplication table 2 பார்த்தோம். அதே மாதிரி தான் இதுவும். See ஒரு பாக்ஸில் 3 stars இருக்கு. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3. This is the multiplication fact. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 stars, 1 box. The total number of stars is 3. Next பாருங்க 3 plus 3. 2 times 3. Number of stars is 3. 2 boxes. The total number of stars is 6. The multiplication fact is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Next பாருங்க 3 times 3. ஓரோ குரூப்லேயும் 3 stars இருக்கு. The total number of groups is 3. The total number of stars is 9. The multiplication fact is 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Next பாருங்க 4 times 3. The number of stars is 3. 4 groups, 4 box, and the total number of stars is 12. The multiplication fact is 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Next means 5 times 3. The number of stars is 3. 5 box. The total number of stars is 15. The multiplication fact is 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Next பாருங்க 6 times 3. The number of stars is 3. 6 boxes and the total number of stars is 18. The multiplication fact is 3 into 6 is equal to 18. See next பாருங்க 7 times 3. The number of stars is 3. Number of boxes is 7. The total number of stars is 21. The multiplication fact is 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Next பாருங்க 8 times 3. The number of stars is 3. 8 boxes. The total number of stars is 24. So the multiplication fact is 3 into 8 is equal to 24. Next பாருங்க 9 times 3. The number of stars is 3. 9 boxes. Each box have 3 stars. The total number of stars is 27. The multiplication fact is 3 into 9 is equal to 27. Next 10 times 3. See the number of stars is 3. 10 boxes. The total number of stars is 30. The multiplication fact is 3 into 10 is equal to 30. See this activity, shall we say the multiples of 3? I like to jump by 3. See first jump 3. Next jump 3 plus 3 6. Next jump 6 plus 3 9. Multiples of 3. பாருங்க first jump 3. Next 3 plus 3 6. Next 9. Next 12. 15. 18. This is a multiples of 3. See this exercise. Fill in the following tables. இங்க மிஸ் ஆன நம்பர்ஸ் நீங்க fill பண்ணணும். 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Next 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Next 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. Next பாருங்க 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. Fill in the boxes. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Next 10 into 3 is equal to 30. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Next 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Next 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Next 3 into 10 is equal to 30. See 10 into 3 is equal to 30. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. See இது ரெண்டு ரிவர்ஸில் ரைட் பண்ணாலும் ஒரே ஆன்சர் தான் வரும். நெக்ஸ்ட் 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Next 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Next 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Next 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Next see 9 into 3 is equal to 27. Multiplication table 4. Some 2 பார்த்தோம் 3 பார்த்தோம். Same like that we can see 4. A chair has 4 legs. Repeated addition facts and multiplication facts. See, இந்த சேருக்கு எவ்வளோ legs இருக்கு? 4. See, 4 legs, 1 chair. The total number of legs is 4. The multiplication fact is 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Next பாருங்க, 4 plus 4. So, ஓரோ சேருக்கும் 4 legs இருக்கு. The total number of chair is 2. So, the total number of legs is 8. So, the multiplication fact is 4 into 2 is equal to 8. See, 3 times 4. See, ஓரோ சேருக்கும் 4 legs இருக்கு. இங்க 3 chair இருக்கு. The total number of legs is 12. The multiplication fact is 4 is equal to 12. Next பாருங்க, see, இங்க 4 chair இருக்கு. 4 times 4. 4 legs, 4 chair. The total number of legs is 16. So, the multiplication fact is 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Next பாருங்க, இங்க 5 times 4. So, ஒரு சேர்லையும் 4 legs இருக்கு. 5 chairs இருக்கு. The total number of legs is 20. So, the multiplication fact is 4 into 5 is equal to 20. See, next பாருங்க, 6 times 4. 4 legs, 6 chairs. The total number of legs is 24. The multiplication fact is 4 into 6 is equal to 24. See, பாருங்க, 7 chairs. Each chair has 4 legs. So, 4 legs. The number of chair is 7. The total number of legs is 28. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. The multiplication fact is 4 into 7 is equal to 28. Next பாருங்க, 8 times 4. The number of legs is 4. The total number of chair is 8. The total number of legs is 32. So, 4 into 8 is equal to 32. The 9 times 4. 4 legs, 9 chairs. The total number of legs is 36. The multiplication fact is 4 into 9 is equal to 36. Next, 10 times 4. 4 legs, 10 chairs. The total number of legs is 40. The multiplication fact is 4 into 10 is equal to 40. See this exercise, complete the table. So, in the table நீங்க complete பண்ணணும். 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 7 into 4 is equal to 28. 8 into 4 is equal to 32. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. 10 into 4 is equal to 40. If there are 4 toys in a box, how many toys will be there in 5 boxes? See, ஓரோ பாக்ஸ்லையும் 4 toys இருந்துச்சுன்னா 5 boxல எவ்வளோ toys இருக்கும்? The total number of toys is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The total number of toys is 20. The multiplication fact is 4 into 5 is equal to 20. See, fill in the boxes. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 7 into 4 is equal to 28. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 10 into 4 is equal to 40. Multiplication table 5. A flower has 5 petals. Multiplication facts. See first one. 1 flower, 5 petals. 5 petals, 1 flower. The total number of petals is 5. The multiplication fact is 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Next, 2 times 5. The number of petals is 5. The number of flowers is 2. The total number of petals is 10. The multiplication is 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Next, 5, 5, 5. 3 times 5. See, the number of petals is 5, 3 flowers, the total number of petals is 15. The multiplication fact is 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Next parunga, 4 times 5. Number of petals is 5, 4 flowers, the total number of petals is 20. The multiplication fact is 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Next, 5 times 5. See, 5 petals and 5 flowers and total number of petals is 25. The multiplication fact is 5 into 5 is equal to 25. See, next one, 6 times 5. The number of petals is 5, 6 flowers, the total number of petals is 30. The multiplication fact is 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Next, 7 times 5. The number of petals is 5, the total number of flowers is 7. The total number of petals is 35. The multiplication fact is 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Next, 8 times 5. The number of petals is 5, 8 flowers, the total number of petals is 40. The multiplication fact is 5 into 8 is equal to 40. See, next, 9 times 5. The number of petals is 5, 9 flowers, the total number of petals is 45. So, the multiplication table is, so the multiplication fact is 5 into 9 is equal to 45. Next, 10 times 5. Number of petals is 5, 10 flowers, the total number of petals is 50. The multiplication fact is 5 into 10 is equal to 50. See this exercise, fill in the blanks. 2 into 5 is equal to 10, 4 into 5 is equal to 20, 6 into 5 is equal to 30, 9 into 5 is equal to 45 and 10 into 5 is equal to 50. See, if there are 6 roses in a vase, how many roses will be there in 6 vase? Vase layu 6 flowers irukku, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, total number of flower vase is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 6 into 6 is 36. So, total number of flowers is 36. The multiplication fact is 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Multiplication table 10. 10 pencils in one box. ஒரு boxல 10 pencils இருக்கு. Repeated addition facts and multiplication facts. See, first one, ஒரு boxல 10 pencils இருக்கு. 10 into 1 is equal to 10. Next, 2 times 10. Each box has 10 pencil. How many boxes are there? 2. The total number of pencils is 20. So, the multiplication fact is 10 into 2 is equal to 20. See, 3 times 10. So, number of pencils is 10, 3 boxes. The total number of pencils is 30. The multiplication fact is 10 into 3 is equal to 30. Next parunga, 4 times 10. The number of pencils is 10. The number of boxes is 4. And total number of pencils is 40. So, the multiplication fact is 10 into 4 is equal to 40. Next, 5 times 10. The total number of pencils is 10. The number of boxes is 5. The total number of pencils 50. So, the multiplication fact is 10 into 5 is equal to 50. Next, 6 times 10. Number of pencils 10. Number of boxes. The multiplication fact is 10 into 6 is equal to 7 times 10. Number of pencils 10. Number of boxes pencils 70. Multiplication fact is 10 into 7 is equal to 70. Next 8 times 10. Number of pencils 10, 8 boxes. Total number of pencils 80. The multiplication fact is 10 into 8 is equal to 80. Next 9 times 10. Number of pencils 10, 9 boxes. Total number of pencils 90. The multiplication fact is 10 into 9 is equal to 90. See, 9 times 10. Next 10 times 10. So 10 pencils, 10 boxes. Total number of pencils 100. The multiplication fact is 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Table. Say 1 into 5, 5, 2 into 5, 10, 3 into 5, 15. See, 1 into 5 is equal to 5, 2 into 5 is equal to 10, 3 into 5 is equal to 15, 4 into 5 is equal to 20, 5 into 5 is equal to 25, 6 into 5 is equal to 30, 7 into 5 is equal to 35, 8 into 5 is equal to 40, 9 into 5 is equal to 45, 10 into 5 is equal to 50. Next 1 into 10 is equal to 10, 2 into 10 is equal to 20, 3 into 10 is equal to 30, 4 into 10 is equal to 40, 5 into 10 is equal to 50, 6 into 10 is equal to 60, 7 into 10 is equal to 70, 8 into 10 is equal to 80, 9 into 10 is equal to 90, 10 into 10 is equal to 100. That's all in this class. Thank you.